We're in parking garage in Buffalo, and we got some Dovers.
Oh, that's a fail. Only run the elevator till 8. What is it with New York and only running elevators very limited hours?
I don't know. So which one we get?
This one.
Yep.
Of course, there's always something up in the light.
Oh wait, there's a 4th floor. Fail.
There's a 4th floor. Gotta love a doorbell.
Yep. Send another one.
It's a very meh elevator.
There's a parking garage. What do you expect? Isn't the bell? Just click.
Let's try.
There it goes. Okay. Oh. Oh. Got a nice Dover.
Yeah.
We always like Dovers.
Something missing in the wall over here.
Wow. Well, guess that's it.